All right, guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to do the 3D Moto High filler neck. What you're going to need is you're going to need something that you can use to pick out the old O-ring from the stock unit very carefully. You don't want to nick it, you don't want to cut it, you don't want to break it. Okay? So you want to be real gentle removing that if you have to from the stock unit. You are going to take out the stock bolts, all right, which are a torque, and it is a T25 torque to get that out of there. Okay? The bolts that come with it are an Allen head, and they are a 3mm in size. All right? Just 3 tools, 5 parts, and you're done. This upgrade takes all of about 5 minutes. It takes you longer to source the tools than it does to actually do the upgrade. All right, you can use a red shop towel, blue shop towel. All right. You can also use paper towels. The problem with these are, versus using the plastic wrap that comes with it, is those might fray and drop stuff in the tank. You really don't want to drop anything in your fuel tank, especially mud, dirt. The plastic is going to hold together a lot better, and you can throw it away when you're done. All right, so when you open the cap, be really careful because there's still going to be a little gunk. See how that mud and dirt in there? You want to make sure that's clean. So you're going to take the plastic, you're going to stuff the plastic in there pretty good. Make sure the tank's kind of low. Now in this particular instance, I'm going to blow it out. If you have to go get canned air, just be really careful. You want that as clean as possible so you don't get any dirt when you come and you take this out. Take these 3 screws out. Be careful not to drop them in the tank. That's why the plastic is still in there. All right, gently move it up because there's an O-ring underneath this. See it right there. Right, you're going to pull the hose, and there's the O-ring right here. Make sure it's good and clean. You're going to reinstall it in this groove in the high filler neck. Now, if it doesn't fit like this, see, that's just because the gas will make these things swell. Leave it sit out a couple hours. It should fit in there nice and easy. Go ahead and attach the vent hose to the front of it. Flip it over. Make sure you got a good seal with the O-ring. The last thing you don't want is a gas leak. All right, you're going to grab the plate and the 3 screws that came with it. They are a 3mm Allen head. Place it down. Be careful not to drop the screws in the tank. You want to tighten them finger tight. All right, grab your 3mm T-handle or whatever you have for an Allen wrench. Go ahead and screw them down. All right, you really want to alternate tightening the screws down. That way you reduce the risk of stripping the threads out in the polymer tank. Next, grab your cap, install the cap, and you're done. It's that simple, that easy. Very quick fix. Well, make sure you look for the links to 3D Moto's webpage. It's going to be down in the description. Have a good one, guys.